Okay, so we're gonna go over the big three upgrade for any Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, anything like that real quick. You need about 2 hours and $80. Okay, so I just did the big three upgrade on my 2002 Silverado. We are gonna go over how to do it real quick and fairly cheap. So the big three is good when you have electric fans and amplifiers and all that stuff running off of the factory charging system. This is a little bit higher amp alternator than the factory, but it's still nothing big. It just helps with the charging system. The easiest way and cheapest way to do it without ordering stuff and waiting, go to any parts store, get 4-gauge booster cables. You need 3 of these 5/16 diameter battery cable lugs. You need 3 of the 3/8 diameter battery cable lugs. And you need 2 of the extended battery terminals that have the nut or bolt that go into the battery terminal so you can add wires on the back. So you're just going to cut the jumper cables up because that's an easy way to get 4-gauge cable. It's copper. It's good. It's well sheathed so it won't rub through or anything. So you're going to run from the back of the alternator. I took the original cable that goes to this little box out completely. Ran this cable from the alternator to the positive on the battery. Then you run, this is where I put my engine ground. You don't necessarily have to put it here, but this is just what I used. This is also 4-gauge wire, runs to the negative terminal on the battery. And then you have one more wire that runs down to the ear where the cab mounts on the frame, and that grounds the battery to the frame. So that's all your wires. It's easy to do. A little bit of heat shrink to make it insulated, and you're all done. It's pretty quick and easy, and it helps when you're running extra accessories.